I'm Dr. Nadeem Sajjad Raja and I am privileged to stand as a candidate for president in Apni 2025 election. Having served as a treasurer, acting social secretary and currently as general secretary, I have gained extensive leadership experiences and honed my abilities to manage both people and processes effectively. These roles have instilled in me the qualities of responsibility, persistence, and confidence, key attributes I will bring to the position of president. If elected, my priority will be to strengthen and unite Association of Pakistani Physicians of Northern Europe by expanding CME and networking opportunities through regional chapters to better serve our members. Boosting participation in sporting activities, creating more avenues for engagement, enhancing communication via social media, ensuring more dynamic interaction with our members, communication through emails as well, growing membership by fostering a more inclusive and supportive environment, respecting and valuing members' input, ensuring every voice is heard in shaping Apni's future, upholding and enhancing Apni's reputation through strategic initiatives and responsible leadership. This will allow me to further develop my leadership skills and decisively navigate challenges under pressure. I am committed to working tirelessly along the executive team to achieve these goals and ensure a brighter, more united future for Association of Pakistani Physicians of Northern Europe. I humbly ask for your vote and trust in this election, as together we can continue to build a stronger Association of Pakistani Physicians of Northern Europe. Thank you for your support. Thank you very much.